Have you ever wondered about the powerful moments in history that shape our fundamental rights and freedoms, especially concerning love and relationships? Sometimes, a single legal decision can profoundly change the lives of millions, ensuring dignity and equality for all. The Obergefell v. Hodges Supreme Court decision is a landmark ruling from 2015 that made same-sex marriage legal throughout all 50 states of the United States. This means that same-sex couples have the constitutional right to marry in any state, and their marriages must be recognized by all other states. This pivotal decision came from the highest court in the United States, the Supreme Court, which examined whether the 14th Amendment to the Constitution requires states to license a marriage between two people of the same sex and to recognize a marriage between two people of the same sex lawfully licensed and performed in another state. The court concluded that it does. The 14th Amendment includes both the Due Process Clause, which guarantees fundamental rights, and the Equal Protection Clause, which ensures that all people are treated equally under the law. The court found that the right to marry is a fundamental right inherent in the liberty of the person, and denying this right to same-sex couples violated both of these clauses. This ruling underscored the principle that marriage is a cornerstone of our social order, and denying it to any group inflicted profound harm and indignity. For individuals, this decision meant that same-sex couples no longer faced a patchwork of laws across state lines, where a marriage valid in one state might not be recognized in another. Now, obtaining a marriage license and all the associated rights and responsibilities of marriage became uniformly accessible regardless of gender. It standardized the legal recognition of same-sex relationships across the entire country. The court highlighted for principles that demonstrate marriage is a fundamental right, applying equally to same-sex couples. These principles include the right to personal autonomy, the importance of marriage for a two-person union, the safeguarding of children and families, and the idea that marriage is a keystone of our social order. By recognizing marriage as a fundamental right for same-sex couples, the court affirmed that the right to marry is not based on gender but on the individual's liberty to define and express their most intimate associations. This was a powerful affirmation of equality and human dignity. Ultimately, the Obergefell v. Hodges decision provided clarity and consistency, affirming that love and commitment between same-sex partners deserve the same legal protections and respect as any other marriage. It ensures that the joys and responsibilities of married life, from shared benefits to family recognition, are accessible to all couples, fostering a more inclusive and equitable society.
If you're feeling the love, like, subscribe, and share your story with us.